noO vs noGa. How do you use noO and noGa? In this lesson video clip, you will learn how to use noO and noGa and how different between noO and noGa. In here we have some lessons, so let's see together. For example, in here we have two sentences like this. So what do you think how different between these two sentences? For example, the first sentence is "牛乳を買う." Or you can say in the mass form like "牛乳を買います." And the second sentence, the right, they say "牛乳を買うのを忘れました." 牛乳を買うのを忘れました. So how different between these two sentences? In here we can translate to be English like this. If you just say 牛乳を買う or 牛乳を買います, it means I buy some milk. But if you say 牛乳を買うのを忘れました, it means I forgot to buy some milk. That means when you want to explain some situation that you want to do, and you can put noO to explain. And after noO it must be the verb. That means when we use noO, that when we have the small sentence, the first one small sentence first, and after the small sentence we connect with another verb. So that means we want to do something, we want to explain to do something, and after that we can put noO to explain by using verb. And this introduced an action that are supposed to have been taken regarding the object and the state that has been forgotten. I see here we have 牛乳を買うのを忘れました. This means I forgot to buy some milk. That means the action, the small sentence is mean 牛乳を買います or 牛乳を買う, right? This means buy some milk. But to do for buy some milk, I forgot. So the situation like this, you can use noO to explain the situation for your friends, for other people around you. And let's see another sentence together. And in here we also have the sentence like this. 車の窓を閉めるのを忘れました. 車の窓を閉めるのを忘れました. Which means that I forgot to shut the car window. What you have to focus, what you have to know about this sentence, you should know that if we have two parts of the sentence, the first part is mean the small sentence. I see here, 車の窓を閉める is small sentence, and it is explain or is express some situation that happening or some event that happening. For example, 車の窓を閉める is mean shut the windows car. And after that, you want to explain the situation that shutting the window, the car window, that you can use 忘れました. 忘れました that you can put noO. That means to do, to shut down the car window, you forgot. So this is what you have to know about the part of the sentence that we have two parts. First part is mean the small sentence, and the second part is mean use noO plus some verb they want to explain the sentence. And another sentence we have the sentence like this. 鈴木さんが来月結婚するのを知ってますか？鈴木さんが来月結婚するのを知ってますか？ Do you know that Mr. Suzuki is getting married in next month? And in here we also have the first part of the sentence and the second part of the sentence. The first part of the sentence that means Mr. Suzuki got, right? Suzuki-san ga laiketsu kekkon suru. This means to married, right? Mr. Suzuki, you married, and you want to take here to be object and plus and to explain to your friend that your friend know about that or not. You can put noO to between the first part of the sentence, and after noO it can be the verb they want to explain. For example, shitemasu ka? It means no, you know that. Do you know that? That what is about that? That is mean Mr. Suzuki is getting married in next month. So it means you want to explain the first part of the sentence. And now we will learn what is about the noGa. In here we have the sentence like this. Tanaka-san wa hana o sodateru no ga suki desu. Tanaka-san wa hana o sodateru no ga suki desu. Which means Mr. Tanaka likes growing flower. In here we will see that after sodateru no ga it can be adjective. So that means we also have the two parts of the sentence. The first part is mean Tanaka-san wa hana o sodateru, right? Here is the small part of the sentence, and we want to explain the first part of the sentence. You can put noGa, and after noGa it should be the adjective, because we want to explain that what is about the first part of the sentence. And in here, we want to explain that Mr. Tanaka like growing flower, so you can say noGa suki desu. And here we also have another sentence about noGa like this. Tokyo no hito wa aruku no ga hayai desu. Tokyo no hito wa aruku no ga hayai desu. Which means Tokyo people walk fast. In here we also have the second part of the sentence like Tokyo no hito wa aruku. Right? Aruku is mean walk. But you want to explain walk fast or walk slow or how to walk for Tokyo people. So you can put noGa, and after that you can put the adjective to explain. This means we want to explain the first part of the sentence by using the adjective in the second part of the sentence or the end of the part of the sentence, like hayai, suki, kirai, something like this. And in here, we want to explain about how different between noGa and noO. In here, we have the first sentence like Tanaka-san wa aruku no ga suki desu. And the second sentence like Senshu no shukudai o yaru no o wasuremashita. So what is about the meaning? The first sentence that is mean that Mr. Tanaka likes walking. And the second sentence we have translated like this. I forgot to do last week homework. What you should remember that the first sentence and the second sentence we also have the first part of the sentence. For example, the first sentence we have the first part like Tanaka-san wa aruku, right? And the second sentence we have the first part sentence like Senshu no shukudai o yaru is the first part. And after that, we continue by noGa or noO. Actually, for even after noGa, it should be the adjective. And if you end by noO, it should be the verb. So this is the difference between noO and noGa. So when you use noO and noGa, you should consider that what will you want to explain. For example, in the first sentence, there's noGa split. That means you want to explain by using adjective, and use that adjective to explain for the first part of the sentence. And for the second sentence, noO wasuremashita. That means after noO should be the must be the verb. Wasuremashita is means you forgot, right? That means you want to explain the first sentence by using the verb in the after noO. You want to explain that you forgot to do the first part of the sentence. Shikudai uyaru, right? So you forgot to do the last week homework. So this is about the difference between noGa and noO. And I hope that this video will help you to make more understand about how to use noO and noGa. And thank you very much. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next video clip. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please help me subscribe my channel. ありがとうございました。